What's going on? If you're looking for the best solo ads for affiliate marketing, then I'm going to share with you the best solo ad vendors in 2024 that I use for my affiliate marketing business. And I want you to understand something. Now, that doesn't necessarily mean that you're going to get sales, but what you're going to be doing is building your email list so you can nurture them in order to make sales from any affiliate product that you are promoting. And once you're building your email list, then you can start promoting other opportunities to them as well. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get into this video, and I'm going to show you the top solo ad vendors in 2024 and the best affiliate marketing solo ads that you can use for your affiliate marketing business. So let's get started. All right, so what I've done, I created just a little website, inside of my funnel builder, talking about the traffic sources that I use. One is Wholesale Premium Traffic, Jazz Deep Solo Ads, Wayne Crow Solo Ads, Traffic Zest, and Udemy Solo Ads. And what we're going to do is we're going to go through each one of these. I'm going to go to their website, go into kind of in depth with you about each traffic source. And if you want to get access to these traffic sources, just click the link in the description below. Also, a link for each of the traffic sources will be in the description as well. But when you come to this page right here, you can check out each solo ad vendors. Okay, enter your name and email here so you can sign up and be notified of other vendors that I've tested, with my own money, that's going to help you get results and that are getting me results. Now, if I find someone that's not, up to par, I'm going to email you and tell you to stay away from this particular vendor. I don't care if it's Udemy, Traffic Zest, or whatever the case may be. Even if one of these are not performing well any longer, I will delete them and just tell you not to use them. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to redo this page right here, because I'm going to have a whole list of vendors on here that are well vetted and that can actually get you traffic to build your email list and hopefully get you sales. So make sure you click the link in the description, go to this website right here, or you can just click the links in the description to take you to either one of these. So the first one we're going to look at is Wholesale Premium Traffic, but I want you to understand these are not in any particular order. I'm not rating them number one, number two, or whatever. These are all great traffic providers. Now, some people may tell you that these providers are no good. They have not had any luck with them. There can be several reasons for that. And, maybe your email follow-up is not strong enough. Maybe you're not nurturing your list. Maybe your offer is just wrong for that group of people, so it can be many things. So it's all about testing. And I would suggest that you get a tracker as well. I will put a link for the tracker that I use in the description below as well. So let's go ahead on and get started. The first one we're going to look at is Wholesale Premium Traffic. Now, this is by Gabe and Sean. Okay, so when you go here, you're able to get quality traffic. I use these guys quite often, and I get my traffic from here as well. When I want to build my email list, and they have decent traffic. So let's go ahead on and look at the traffic packages. You can look at the the read the sales page. You can get high rep domain, email swipes, an affiliate program here, and some more stuff over here, testimonial, opt-in dojo, all of that stuff right there. Okay, so with the traffic, we're just going to click right here. It's going to take you to the traffic packages. Now, you get premium US only traffic. You get 2,500 clicks for 1,075. It goes all the way down. And this is basically USA, United States traffic. $90 gets you 200 clicks. I normally go with the 300 clicks or the 500 clicks. Okay, that's where I like to go. So whatever your budget is, that's where you can start from that. But like I said, this is premium USA traffic. They have quality tier 1 traffic. I have purchased this traffic before just to build my email list with. Now, the tier 1 traffic is the top 5 English speaking countries, which I know United States, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and UK. So you can get 500 clicks here for $165, and that's totally up to you, whatever you want to do. Then you can get quality unique traffic. Okay, I've never really tried this that I can recall, but you can get 500 clicks for $140. Okay, that's 80% tier 1 traffic, which means you're probably going to get some non-English speaking countries, people, looking at your offer. But if that's what you can afford to do, then you can go for that as well. I highly recommend, you give this traffic source a try. I've tried them. Now, I normally, when I purchase from them, I go with the premium USA only traffic or the quality tier 1 traffic is what I deal with. And I usually go like $135 for 300 clicks here, or $165 for 500 clicks here. So you can go with whichever package there that you feel comfortable with doing. There's a link for this in the description as well. The next one we're going to look at is Zest, and let me go back up to the top. He's considered one of the top solo providers in the industry. He's been doing it for a long time, but I want to warn you, his traffic is not cheap. Okay, his traffic is kind of expensive, but it's well worth it. I've used his traffic before as well. Okay, so check him out, and you can decide if you want to purchase his traffic and give him a try or not. You want to order premium traffic, you can watch his read his page here. He also has an affiliate program as well. So does Wholesale premium traffic, a free affiliate program. So we're going to go down here to order traffic. These are the traffic orders. Okay, if you see right here, 100% top tier countries, and then you can get USA clicks only. Top tier is $120 for 100 clicks. $220 for 200 clicks. United States only, $150 for 100 clicks. 200 clicks is $300. As I said before, these clicks are not cheap, but they're probably well worth it. So you can check it out and go at your leisure or whatever you can afford with Zest. I do recommend him that you give him a try as well. And you just simply place your order here. You can go wherever you feel comfortable at, with ordering Zest. As I said, Zest has been in the industry for a long time. You can see how it works. Okay, all of that FAQ, the affiliate program, in the blog. He also has a training over here that you can get access to, and he has a chat here where you can chat with him and ask questions before you place your order. Okay, now what I like about both of these is that they actually give you information before you purchase an order from them. They're going to help you out and make sure that your capture pages and things like that are up to par, so you'll get the best results as possible. The next one we're going to look at is the OLSP system traffic by Wayne Crow. Okay, he's another one of those legends that been in the solo ads game for a long time. Okay, getting traffic from him. I've ordered traffic from him in the past, and it works as well. Okay, and this is some of the traffic that I order for my OLSP system. So we come down here, you're going to see some testimonials. This is Wayne Crow himself. You want to place an order. Okay, for 100 clicks, this is 100% tiered traffic. The top 5 traffic English speaking countries, $90 for 100 clicks, 200 clicks, $176, $425 for 500 clicks as well. And here are the rest of them. Also, he has a training video here that you can watch and to get more knowledge about solo ads here as well. So you can check him out. I recommend him as well. This is another vendor that I like to use. Like I said, I use it with my OLSP system, when I'm ordering traffic specifically for that, because he is the owner of the OLSP system. And so I like to order traffic from him as well. The next one we're going to look at is called Traffic Zest. Now, this Traffic Zest has a bunch of solo ad vendors in here, and I'm going to log in just to see show you what it's all about. So what you want to do here is when you add a campaign, okay, click on new campaign, and I'm just going to open this one up just so you can have a look. You're able to set up your campaign name with whatever your affiliate offer is. You're able to put your link here. I have a tracking code behind mine. You're going to set a start date, and here are some of the top vendors located in here as well. Okay, you got Brandon Sheen, Corey Lewis, Gabe Sloan, George Ball, Glenn Fadok, James Never Taylor, Zest is in here, Jorge Delgado, Sharanish, Sean Askew. Now remember, Sean and Gabe are also from the Wholesale Premium, Victor Chai, and Vita V. And Vita V is the creator of this system, him along with Jazz Deep as well. So you have vendors in here. This is pretty much a set it, but don't forget it, because if you don't set your parameters right, then you could lose money. I have my budget for $10 a day. Here you're able to go down through here. You can turn it on, turn it off as you please. Okay, you're able to pick your vertical, which is to make money online, or the traffic providers, the countries that you want, the systems that you want to use, the devices. Okay, I chose desktop here, okay, because that helps keep down on my my costs, because a lot of people use smartphone, so your highest cost in here is going to come from smartphone. But I want people who are actually at their desktop. Okay, and you can get email clicks and all of that type of stuff in here as well. So you have the option to do all of that right here inside of Traffic Zest. I have gotten sales with Traffic Zest. I'm building my email list right now with Traffic Zest. As you can see over here, I'm actually running traffic to my mega link, okay, getting clicks. I'm only doing $10 per day, running it to desktop, so you can control that. They also have an affiliate program where you can earn affiliate commissions and use those commissions to go right back in here for more traffic as well. Okay, the next one I want to recommend to you is, of course, Udemy. Everybody knows about Udemy. Udemy has been around for a long time. Okay, so if I just log, and they have an affiliate program as well. So if I just log into Udemy here, it's going to take, you're going to be able to come over here and find sellers. And under the find sellers, you can set your parameters up here if you want to. Okay, you're just going to go down through here and find sellers. I've used Caleb before. Let's see, I've used Brandon before. I've used Thomas before. Angelo Sansoon, I never used him, but he's pretty good. Liar is pretty good. Let's see. That's Demetrius. We're going to go back to home, and you can see all of the orders I have placed on here from people. I haven't ordered on here since March 2023. Okay, but Kevin, Hansons, Caleb, Gabe, Glenn Fadouk, these people I have used, and then they give you other vendors down here. So you just go through this list here and choose the vendor that you want to use. Now I'll come back and do other videos on how to actually use this. Use Udemy. I do have one on my YouTube channel already, but this is another great source that you can use as well. Okay, so Wholesale Premium Traffic, Jazz Deep, the OLSP system, Wayne Crow, Traffic Zest, and Udemy. All of these have affiliate programs to them where you can earn commission when you share your link with other people as well, and you can take those funds and put back into more traffic. Okay, another thing about Udemy is they have what they call solo deals here, so you can come down through here and find solo deals. So if I go back over here, let's say if I wanted to use Caleb, I click on Caleb. I've ordered from him in the past. You can message them so they can look at your funnel and give you some ideas on what you need to correct before you send traffic. Okay, you can go down here and you can just move this to however much you are willing to invest. It's going to be like $177. Okay, for a minimum of 200 clicks. You can take it up as high as you want. 625 is going to be 411. You can check the date. The date here tells you when the traffic can run. Okay, so you can choose your date that you want the traffic to run. The 21st, which would be tomorrow. And once you're satisfied with that, you're able to order. Okay, so you come down through here and see what average traffic geography is. The 90% top tier countries, 7% filter clicks. Okay, some testimonial videos here. Look down through here, see if people got sales. You see people got sales. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same person got sales, but hey, that lets you know his traffic is good. Got sales. So you can place an order with him. The only thing you do is simply click on buy solo. Okay. Let's see if we can close this up. Let's go back up, buy solo, and you want to put your link here. Okay, this is for another person I used before. You can put only the link, or you can do add text. Okay, now you can do that, and you're going to put your link here, and then you're just simply going to check out, and you're good to go. I'll go into more depth about how the checkout process later on, but this is another source that you can get as well. So Wholesale premium traffic, Jazz Deep solo ads, the OLSP system solo ads, Wayne Crow, traffic, Zest, and Caleb. You can start with any one of these. Now, the probably your best bang for your buck right now is probably going to be right here with Wholesale premium traffic, where you can get 200 clicks for $68, okay, or 200 clicks for $90, 45 cent USA traffic. Okay, so that's totally up to you. So you can check that out and see which one is for you. So what you can do is click the link in the description. It's going to take you to my website, where you're actually going to be able to go right there and pick one of the solo ad vendors that you want to use. Let me show you that again. To this website right here, you'll be able to pick your vendor, whichever one you want to use. Make sure you subscribe so I can keep you notified on other vendors that I test with my own money, that I get results from. And if they're bad, then, I tell you to stay away from them. So make sure you sign up for that. Also, each one of these here will be listed in the description below, so you can go ahead on and, just go straight there. So with that being said, I would love you to subscribe to the channel. I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.